ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ DCEಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. In this video I am going to present how to evaluate limits by using L'Hopital's rule. Type 2 evaluation of limits of the form infinity by infinity. If f of x and g of x be two functions such that limit extends to a f of x equal to infinity and limit extends to a g of x equal to infinity, then f of x by g of x is said to assume the indeterminate form infinity by infinity at x equal to a. In this case also, limit extends to a f of x by g of x equal to limit extends to a f dash of x by g dash of x. That means we are going to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. After completion of differentiation, we are going to substitute the limit x equal to a. First question, evaluate limit extends to 0 log of sin x divided by cot x. First we want to substitute x equal to 0 in the given function. Then log of sin 0 divided by cot 0. Sin 0 is 0, log 0 by cot 0. Log 0 is minus infinity, cot 0 is infinity. This is indeterminate form. That's why we are going to apply L'Hopital's rule. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So, log of sin x is 1 by sin x into sin x differentiation is cos x divided by cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. That means cot x divided by minus cosecant square x. Now substitute x equal to 0. Cot 0 divided by minus cosecant square 0. Cot 0 is infinity, minus as it is cosecant 0 is infinity, infinity square is infinity. This is indeterminate form. Again apply L'Hopital's rule. Cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x divided by minus as it is cosecant square x differentiation is 2 times of cosecant x. Cosecant x differentiation is minus cosecant x into cot x. So, finally, minus cosecant square x divided by minus into minus plus cosecant into cosecant is cosecant square x cot x. Now substitute cosecant square x cancel, minus 1 by 2 into 1 by cot x. But 1 by cot x is tan x. Now substitute limit x equal to 0, minus 1 by 2 into tan 0. So, minus 1 by 2 into tan 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. That means 0 is the value of given limit. Next question. Limit extends to pi by 2 tan 5x by tan x. First substitute x equal to pi by 2. Then we are going to get tan 5 times of pi by 2 divided by tan pi by 2. Tan 5 times of pi by 2 is equal to infinity. Tan pi by 2 is infinity. This is indeterminate form. Now we are going to change given function in terms of cot. That means we know that tan 5x equal to 1 by cot 5x, tan x equal to 1 by cot x. By using these two, we can write tan 5x by tan x as cot x by cot 5x. Now substitute x equal to pi by 2, then cot pi by 2 divided by cot 5 times of pi by 2. We know that cot pi by 2 0, cot 5 times of pi by 2 equal to 0. This is also indeterminate form. Now differentiate cot x. Then we are going to get minus cosecant square x divided by cot 5x differentiation is minus cosecant square 5x. 5x differentiation is 5. Minus minus get cancel. Then we are going to get cosecant square x divided by 5 times of cosecant square 5x. Now substitute x equal to pi by 2. Then cosecant square pi by 2 divided by 5 times of cosecant square 5 into pi by 2. But we know that cosecant pi by 2 is 1 and also cosecant 5 pi by 2 is 1. That means we are going to get 1 by 5 into 1. That means 1 by 5. This is the value of given limit. Next question. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 cosecant x by log x. First you substitute x equal to 0 in the given function. Then we are going to get cosecant 0 by log 0. But we know that cosecant 0 is infinity, log 0 is minus infinity. That means minus infinity by infinity. This is indeterminate form. That's why to evaluate the given limit, we are going to apply L'Hopital's rule. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So, differentiation of numerator is minus cosecant x into cot x. Differentiation of denominator is 1 by x. That means minus x into cosecant x into cot x. Now we are going to change this in terms of sin and cos. Minus x into 1 by sin x. Cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. That means minus x into cos x divided by sin square x. Now substitute x equal to 0. 0 into anything equal to 0 divided by sin 0 is 0. 0 square is 0. Again we arrived at indeterminate form 0 by 0. Again apply L'Hopital's rule. Minus keep aside. You are going to use UV rule to differentiate numerator. X into sin x differentiate cos x is there. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x plus cos x into x differentiation is 1. Sin square x is there. Sin square x differentiation is 2 sin x into cos x. So multiply with minus sign. X into sin x minus cos x divided by 2 into sin x into cos x can be written as sin 2x. Again differentiate with respect to x, numerator and denominator separately. So x into sin x differentiation is cos x plus sin x into x differentiation is 1 minus cos x differentiation is minus sin x divided by sin 2x differentiation is cos 2x. 2x differentiation is 2. Rewriting x cos x plus sin x minus into minus is plus sin x divided by 2 times of cos 2x. Now substitute x equal to 0, then 0 into anything 0, sin 0 0, again sin 0 0, 2 times of cos 0 is 1. That means numerator value 0, denominator value 2. 0 by 2 is 0 only. That means the value of given limit is 0. Next question. Evaluate limit extends to 0, log of tan 2x by log of tan x. First we are going to substitute x equal to 0 in the given function. Then log tan 2 times of 0 divided by log tan 0. So numerator becomes log of 0 by log 0. Log 0 is minus infinity. Log 0 is minus infinity. That means infinity by infinity. This is also indeterminate form. That's why we are going to apply L'Hopital's rule to evaluate the given limit. That means log of tan 2x differentiation is 1 by tan 2x. Tan 2x differentiation is secant square 2x. Why I write 2 here means that is 2x differentiation divided by log of tan x is there. Differentiation is 1 by tan x. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. Now we are going to convert this term into sin x into cos x. Rewriting this term, then we are going to get 2 times of cot 2x into secant square 2x divided by cot x into secant square x. Now 2 aside, cot 2x is cot 2x can be written as cos 2x divided by sin 2x, and secant square 2x can be written as 1 by cos square 2x divided by cot x can be written as cos x by sin x into 1 by cos square x. 1 cos 2x, 1 cos 2x cancel. 1 cos x, 1 cos x cancel. Then we are going to get 2 by sin 2x into cos 2x (1 by sin x into cos x can be written as sin x into cos x. Here 2 is there. Here sin x cos x is there. This term equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2x into cos 2x. Sin 2x get cancelled. The remaining term is 1 by cos 2x. Now substitute x equal to 0, then 1 by cos into 2 times of 0. 2 into 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Next question. Limit x tends to 0, log tan x base x. Observe here base is x, not e. First of all, we want to convert the base x into base e. For this, we are going to write log tan x base x as log tan x base e by log x base e. So, when we are going to substitute x equal to 0, we are going to get infinity by infinity form. That's why to evaluate given function limit, we are going to use L'Hopital's rule. Differentiate numerator separately and denominator separately. Differentiation of log of tan x is 1 by tan x. Tan x differentiation is secant square x divided by log x differentiation is 1 by x. Now again we are going to convert this in terms of sin and cos. That means we are going to get 1 by x can be written as 1 by x goes to numerator, then it becomes x by tan x into secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square x. Again x by tan x. Again x by tan x can be written as 1 by tan x by x into 1 by cos square x. Now substitute x tends to 0 limit, then limit x tends to 0 1 by cos square x into limit x tends to 0 1 by tan x by x. We know that limit x tends to 0 f of x by g of x equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x by limit x tends to 0 g of x. But in the numerator we have 1, that means limit of a constant is itself. That means we are going to get limit x tends to 0 1 by cos square x into 1 by limit x tends to 0 tan x by x. But we know the value of this limit as 1. That means 1 by 1 is 1. 1 into anything is anything. That means limit x tends to 0 1 by cos square x. Now substitute x equal to 0. We know that cos 0 is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. That means the value of given limit is 1. Thank you.